Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the small business bookkeeping template step by step. Let's start with the instructions tab. This gives you a quick rundown of how the spreadsheet works and some best practices for keeping your books clean. If you've never done your own bookkeeping before, spend a couple of minutes here first. It'll save you time down the road. Now let's move to the dashboard. This is your financial snapshot for the entire business. Right at the top, you'll see three numbers every business owner needs to know: total revenue, total expenses, and net profit. Charts show your income versus expenses over time, so you can spot trends at a glance. Are expenses creeping up? Is revenue growing month over month? The dashboard answers those questions the moment you open the spreadsheet. Next up is the income tracker. Every dollar that comes into your business gets logged here. You enter the date, the client or customer name, the amount, a category, and a short description. We'll use an example. Say you received $2,000 from a client called Riverside Marketing on June 10th for a website redesign project. Just fill in the row. Over time, this becomes your complete record of every payment received, which makes tax season and financial reviews so much smoother. Now let's look at the expense tracker. Same concept, but for money going out. Rent, software subscriptions, office supplies, contractor payments, travel. Everything gets a row with a date, vendor name, amount, category, and description. The single best habit for clean books is logging expenses as they happen, rather than letting them pile up at the end of the month. Here's where it gets interesting. The Invoice Log. This tab tracks every invoice you've sent out. You enter the invoice number, client name, amount, date sent, and payment status, whether it's paid, outstanding, or overdue. At a glance, you can see who owes you money and how long it's been. If a client owes you $1,500 and it's been 45 days, this tab makes sure you don't forget to follow up. Next up is the cash flow tab. This shows the actual movement of money in and out of your business on a monthly basis. It totals up incoming cash and outgoing cash for each month and shows you the net difference. Positive means more came in than went out. Negative means you spent more than you earned that month. This is different from profit on paper. You can be profitable but still have cash flow problems if clients pay late. This tab helps you see tight months coming before they hit. And finally, the reconciliation tab. At the end of each month, you compare what's in your spreadsheet to your actual bank statement. Enter your bank's ending balance, and the template helps you spot any differences. Maybe a payment you forgot to log or a charge that hasn't cleared yet. Reconciling monthly keeps your books accurate and catches small mistakes before they turn into big headaches. Get the small business bookkeeping template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.